I wanted to take a look at this. This is a microwave that I've actually had the exact same one for a while now, but I moved out of a place and I had to get a new one. So I've gone and got exactly the same one. So I'm just going to unbox it. Flatbed technology. Keeping a lookout for this. You'll learn to love how simple this thing is. Auto cook stuff, I mean, I've never really used any of that, but it's there if you need it. That is the front of the box. And this, family size. And if you've got the right dish that's square, yes. Alright, we'll get it open and have a look inside. Master every moment. I mean, could you do any of this in the microwave? I'm not sure, maybe. I'm not sure what you're doing with this in the microwave, but anyway. Yeah, it's a simple unboxing. See, I really like this. They've gone for the molded cardboard packing here. And it's actually quite rigid. But it would absorb, if it was dropped, it would absorb a lot of stuff there. And yeah, obviously, you could just chuck that in the compost. You could just break it up and chuck it in the garden or the compost or whatever, and it'll break down to nothing in no time. So that's a really good thing, that. We have a manual, but we can't access it. Does it just pull off the top? Maybe it does. It's going to. Look at that, beautiful. And we have the manual. Important instructions: don't electrocute yourself, don't overcook things, don't put metal in there, blah blah blah, don't put your baby in there, or your baby, don't put your baby in there. Got some features, some more features, more features, so many features. Oh, cleaning and caring, troubleshooting, beautiful. And a lifetime product warranty. Oh, sorry. I'm looking through the camera and I'm trying to line things up, and I saw lifetime, but it says limited. Another bit of paper. Okay. Here we are. Take this out and get rid of the box. There's nothing else in the box except your molded cardboard. Your molded cardboard thing in the bottom. And this is the unit. So not much to see from there. That is the front of the unit with my pluggers in the shot as well there for you. And probably some lovely reflections. This is the back. You can have a look in there. There's a nice sort of heavy duty looking fan motor in there, which is good. There's your model number, upside down of course, but just pause and turn your phone or whatever. And the bottom, which is actually quite a nice heavy duty looking thing as well. And that's getting quite heavy. So the important thing is try and get my toes out of shot there. The The important thing is, how does the door and that work? Lovely, lovely and smooth. And look how the weight of the door almost closes that. Beautiful operation. Door feels quite sturdy. And if you look inside, there's just a piece of tempered glass in the bottom there, which I might be able to get a bit of light in there. No, that does not help. 1 second. Yeah, the lighting isn't great here, folks. I'm sorry about that. But that's the inside. And yeah, the main thing is that the bottom of that is all sealed. And the bottom is all sealed. That's better. And there's no moving parts. So basically whatever you can fit in there, you can just close the door and start it. So if you shove it full of small bowls or, you know, 6 or 7 cups of water or milk or whatever you're heating up, you can just put whatever you want in there and hit the button. And I'll show you this nice up close. We'll turn that thing off. There we go, less glare. We'll turn that thing off, and yeah, the button, nice and easy to use, obviously. Shuts nice and smoothly. Nice buttons here. I use the power level one a fair bit, so you just, you know, a couple of presses on that to get it down to what you want. And literally, all you do here is turn that to the right a few times, and it just adds 30 seconds. So basically, you put your drink or whatever in there, close the door, and you just turn that to the right, you know, 2 or 3 or 5 times, or 5 detents or whatever. You won't be able to hear it because it's quite a soft, but it does lock in at each sort of 30-second interval. And that's it, and then you press that button to start it. So literally, after you've put your thing in, you've shut the door, you can just go and press it, and that's it. It's as simple as that. And this thing's about 800 watts, so, but I found it is quite powerful if you're heating up a like a large cup of milk or something. Usually about 2 minutes or 2 minutes 30, and it's piping hot. So yeah, I mean, a great microwave for the price. And the fact that there's no moving parts inside here and it's all sealed means it's so easy to clean, and nothing can get caught. It's not trying to spin anything. You just shove it in there. Even if it's square and you don't think it's going to fit, it'll probably fit. And you can just shut the door and turn it on. This is a magic microwave.